Inventory is often treated like an isolated warehouse problem, when really it's a much broader operational visibility problem. Utilities may have material on hand, but still lack a clear view of whether it's available, allocated, staged, or already installed. If a crew's ready for a job, but the required materials are unavailable, the result can be crew downtime, rescheduling, additional truck rolls, and even delayed work. Ultimately, an inventory problem quickly becomes an operational problem. When teams can reliably see on-hand quantities, locations, minimum threshold allocations, stage materials, they can determine material readiness before committing crews. That helps planners identify shortages or conflicts earlier and creates more reliable schedules and reduces last-minute surprises. Good inventory data helps purchasing move from reactive ordering to proactive demand-driven replenishment. Purchasing needs to understand what's allocated, what's staged, what's in transit, what's approaching minimum thresholds, and what's likely needed for future work. The biggest misconception is that inventory management ends when an item leaves the warehouse. For utilities, the warehouse is only one stage of the asset lifecycle. Equipment moves through procurement, receiving, storage, staging, installation, maintenance, returns, warranty, replacement, and eventually retirement. Connecting inventory directly to work orders creates a continuous workflow from planning through execution. Instead of operating separately, everyone works with the same information. Materials can be reserved, picked and staged ahead of time, and then tracked as it's distributed and installed. The result is a better coordination between warehouse and field, greater confidence that the crews have what they need, and fewer manual handoffs. If a critical material is missing, the crew may have to wait, the job may need to be rescheduled, or someone may have to locate the material in another warehouse or make an emergency purchase. All of that creates additional cost, delays the downstream work, and can lead to unnecessary truck rolls. The ultimate goal of better inventory visibility is to catch that problem before the day of the job.